Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A52 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, go into menu. Now locate clock and click on it. Over here you need to select alarm at the bottom left corner if it's not already on and click at this plus sign over here. Now set up an hour and when you're done, select days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. Now click alarm name and label your alarm however you want to. Click done on your keyboard and tap on the switches next to alarm sound, vibration and snooze to disable or enable all of these features. Now you need to click on alarm sound, tap on ringtone and pick one of these melodies as your alarm sound by clicking on the chosen one and going back. But you can also click on ringtone and tap on the plus icon at the top right corner. Then select music from your device by clicking on the song and tapping down at the top right corner again. When you want to change volume of your alarm, all you need to do is swipe left or right on the slider over here and go back. Now tap on vibrations and select one of these vibration patterns the same way. Go back, tap on snooze and choose how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. Go back, tap on save at the bottom right corner over here and as you can see my alarm was successfully added. If you want to turn it off completely, tap on the switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!